Hey everybody, my name is Eric, and in the past year alone I've generated more than $4 million with my micro SaaS product. If you want to learn with me how to get it done, just make sure to hit that subscribe button so you know whenever I release new and free content all the time. Now let's just jump into the video and start with the first micro SaaS you can build. Now if you don't know what micro SaaS is, it's pretty much when you're building a smaller product on top of a bigger platform. Okay, so the first type of micro SaaS we're going to cover in this video is Chrome extensions. And I have here a good example for you. This one is called Koala Inspector. It's built specifically to spy after Shopify stores. Fairly nice, nothing crazy. The beautiful thing about this Chrome extension is that if you just open it up, you can see that they have a way to just upgrade, and then they charge you, I'm not sure exactly how much, but let's say like $9 to $19 a month, and then you can have the premium features. So this is one example. The second type of micro SaaS you can build in 2024 is a Slack app. If you don't know what Slack is a messaging app for businesses. They have an app store with multiple apps that are add-ons to the messaging platform. And I also have a case study of a developer building a Slack app and generating over $4,000 a month. If you want me to put it in the comment section below, just hit case study in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to add it in the description below later on. So again, Slack apps, this is the second type of micro SaaS you can build. The third type of micro SaaS you can build in 2024 is a Microsoft Teams app. A Microsoft Teams is the suite of apps by Microsoft for businesses, and this is where you can charge businesses either a monthly fee or based on amounts of seats in the organization. So there are plenty of apps in the App Store. These are all paid apps, by the way. I filtered it by paid apps alone, and you can see that a lot of them have over 500 reviews, meaning they have probably even more users, meaning they're generating a lot of revenue. Number 5, we're going for Shopify Apps. Shopify is a big e-commerce platform. This is fairly competitive, over 8,000 apps making a lot of revenue. Our own micro SaaS are built on top of this platform, and the opportunities here are endless. Tons of paying customers. Moving on to number 6, again staying in the e-commerce realm, this is Wix. Again, pretty competitive, but still very early on in a lot of stages, specifically around e-commerce. They also deal with everything related to services and booking. So if you have any ideas for services around these topics, you can put it in here. It's also a huge platform to build websites with tens of millions of websites built on top of this platform. We also have a few add-ons to this marketplace, so highly recommend to check it out. The opportunities here are endless. And the next one for this video, number 7, is Webflow. Webflow is a platform to build websites on. A lot of the times it's just going to be SaaS websites, sometimes even e-commerce. The App Store is fairly young, meaning there's a lot of opportunities to jump into this App Store, come up with some unique solutions from other platforms, and really take the revenue in before it's getting too competitive. Number 8 on today's video is Monday.com. Monday is a project management system and platform for businesses of all sizes. If you're unfamiliar with it, check it out. They recently launched an App Store. The opportunities here are fairly early. You can really get a lot of businesses early on before it's getting extra competitive. So check out their APIs, see what you can build for. And if you have any idea about project management, how to improve it, just go ahead and build from Monday.com. Moving on to number 9, we got ChatGPT. ChatGPT with millions of users already. Just released an App Store not long ago. Still a lot of ideas to build on top of ChatGPT to promote your own business. So definitely build some sort of a plugin to connect to your business and get promotion that way. Next on our list, we got Figma, the design tool of the future. Everybody nowadays works with Figma to create beautiful mockups for their websites and software. About 2 years ago, they released this Figma community tab where you can build add-ons to the Figma platform to do a lot of stuff, anything from pre-built designs and add-ons, GIFs, videos. I don't really know, but you can really build a lot of things on top of the Figma platform, so I would definitely recommend checking it out. The next on our list, number 11, is the Atlassian Marketplace. And Atlassian, similar to Microsoft Teams and kind of similar to Monday.com, is a suite of products built for project management for larger companies usually technical products. So anything in the worlds of development, architecture, and anything more technical is built for this platform. So if you're a developer, by chance, you probably know what's missing on this platform. Just build it and earn the revenue from there. For number 12, we got Zendesk. Maybe the biggest help desk in the world. I'm not even sure, but it got probably millions of users, millions of companies working with it, and they have their own app store to help support customers better. So if you have a phone app, or if you have an idea to create a chatbot that helps support better, if you want to integrate it with other types of software that's going to help businesses support customers better, you can build it to the Zendesk platform. Number 13, we got Pipedrive, everything related to sales management. So this platform platform is amazing. I've been using it myself, and it's fairly easy to build solutions built for sales team. If you have any idea on how to improve sales team's work, you can build it and put it on the App Store. Again, very active. You can see hundreds of reviews. A lot of them are paid services, so I would definitely recommend checking it out and build for it because there is endless opportunities. Again, guys, everything you need to know about micro-SaaS is that if you can build a solution, you can pick any of these platforms or even multiple of these platforms, integrate to them and get traffic through this platform without have to work on your marketing. For number 14, I'm not going to show a screen, but I'm talking about mobile apps. Pretty much you got iOS and Android. You can build apps for the App Store. I'll give you one example. Tinder, for example, making a ton of money built as a mobile product on these platforms. So definitely, if you have an idea, it's super competitive, right? But if you have an idea that is unique, build a mobile app. The next on our list, and this is kind of unfamiliar, and I do think that the opportunities here are big. This is the Selling Partner App Store on Amazon's marketplace. Amazon's have millions of sellers on their platform, and they have this app store related to automatic pricing, listing optimization, and a bunch of other stuff. Again, this is e-commerce, so if you have any idea on how to help Amazon sellers sell better, go for it. Alright, number 16, this is where we got Stripe. Stripe, the leading payment processing solution around the world. If you have any idea on how to help businesses charge better, handle their payment processing or payment handling better, analyzing payment, capturing more payments, improving the checkout process, whatever you have in mind. If you think you can build a solution to help businesses process payments better, the Stripe marketplace is the right place, and Stripe is being used by, again, millions of businesses, so just check it out. Number 17, this is Oculus by Meta. If you don't know Oculus is the VR headset by Meta that allows you to, it's like a console. It's mostly used for games, but if you have other ideas on how to build different apps and solutions to the Oculus marketplace, check it out. It's been used by millions of users. Again, most of these solutions are paid, so definitely check it out. I know some companies are making billions off of this marketplace alone. Number 18, guys, we're finally getting to the end. We're getting back to the world of design. We got Canva. If you don't know Canva, this is where you can pretty much design everything on your own without having to know how to code or anything like that. They have billions of elements and templates ready for you to play with, and they have an app store where, again, you can integrate, send your designs back and forth, or help the designs be better, or sync it with other places. Again, check it out. I'm not super familiar with this marketplace, but it's definitely something worth exploring because Canva have millions of users again. The next one on our list, number 19, is Bubbleio, which is a no-code platform, and if you're unfamiliar with it, just check it out. It allows you to build software and website without having to learn how to code. Now, they do have an app store with a bunch of different solutions. I recommend checking it out because a lot of businesses are built on top of this platform and they are looking for quick solutions to integrate into their own business. The last one on our list is WordPress, and WordPress have billions of websites built on top of their platform, and they also have a plugin store. So I'd recommend checking it out. So if you have any solution built for websites of any kind, just put it in the WordPress app store and you'll probably get some traffic from it. Now, guys, why am I telling all of this to you and not building it myself? The truth is, I can't. I have capacity to build 1, 2, maybe 3 apps, and that's it. So I'm giving this information to you guys so that you can go ahead, start your own business, and start living life on your own terms. If you find this interesting, we have 6-episode free crash course. You can check it out in the description below, where we teach you how to bootstrap a Shopify app specifically, because this is where our own biggest apps are living right now. And also, if you really want to take it seriously, we have full-blown 86-episode course where we take you step by step and actually build an app with you along the way until you get the first few dollars, and actually help you after that keep marketing the app and keep building it so that you can really understand the process based on our experience. It's also important to mention we are a bootstrap company. We never took any funding from any company. We didn't make it complex. We tried to keep it as simple as possible for stupid people, because I'm stupid. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about any of these platforms, make sure to comment them in the comment section below. If you like the video or you appreciate the time it takes me and the effort it takes me to create this video, just make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.